Crunchyroll error code P-3 is one of the most frustrating streaming issues that prevents anime fans from watching their favorite shows. This error typically appears as a black screen or causes indefinite loading when you try to play content. The P-3 error is related to dynamic adaptive streaming over HTTP, or DASH technology. This is the system that automatically adjusts your video quality based on your internet connection speed to provide smooth playback. This error affects multiple platforms, including web browsers, mobile apps, gaming consoles like PlayStation and Xbox, and smart TV applications. No matter what device you're using, the same troubleshooting steps can help. For browser-related issues, start with these immediate fixes. Clear your browser cache and cookies specifically for Crunchyroll. Disable extensions like ad blockers and VPNs, and try using incognito or private browsing mode. Network issues are often the culprit. Restart your modem and router by unplugging them for 30 seconds, then plugging them back in. Switch from Wi-Fi to an Ethernet connection if possible, and ensure you have at least 5 megabits per second for HD streaming. For mobile apps, force close and restart the Crunchyroll app. Clear the app cache in your device settings, or reinstall the app completely. On gaming consoles and smart TVs, clear the system cache and check for both system updates and app updates. These immediate fixes resolve the majority of P-3 errors quickly and effectively. Try them in order, starting with the simplest solutions first. Most users find success within the first few attempts. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve Crunchyroll error P-3, advanced solutions and prevention strategies become essential. These methods address deeper technical issues and help prevent future occurrences. The most effective advanced solution is switching to public DNS servers. Google DNS at 8.8.8 and 8.4.4 or Cloudflare DNS at 1.1.1 provide more reliable connections than default ISP DNS servers. Configure these DNS settings in your router or device network settings. This Windows dialog shows how to set Google DNS servers in your network adapter properties. Account-related issues cause about 10% of P-3 errors. Follow these verification steps. Log out completely, clear your cache, log back in, verify your subscription is active, and check for any regional restrictions on your content. Prevention is key to avoiding future P-3 errors. Follow this maintenance schedule. Clear your cache weekly, update apps and browsers monthly, and continuously monitor your network stability and Crunchyroll's social media for maintenance announcements. Streaming specialists have identified the root causes of P-3 errors. Network issues account for 45% of cases, CDN server problems cause 30%, device or browser compatibility issues represent 15%, and account or regional restrictions make up the remaining 10%. Success rates vary by solution complexity. Basic troubleshooting resolves 70% of cases within 10 minutes. Advanced DNS solutions are effective in 85% of persistent cases. Complete app reinstallation is necessary in only 5% of instances. Crunchyroll is implementing advanced adaptive bitrate streaming technology. This system automatically adjusts video quality based on your network conditions, reducing buffering and connection errors. Content delivery network improvements include more edge servers worldwide, better load balancing, and enhanced error recovery systems. These infrastructure upgrades aim to reduce P-3 errors by 2026 to 2027. Additional planned improvements include better error diagnostic tools for users, enhanced mobile app stability, improved smart TV platform integration, and automatic error recovery systems. These comprehensive upgrades are expected to significantly reduce streaming errors by 2027.